Hi everyone, I hope you have seen all our previous videos. As you know that we are solving class 10 Emil Agarwal book. We already uploaded class 10th trigonometry introduction and solved exercise number 18, problem number 1 to 7. In this video we are going to solve from problem number 8 to 13. Okay, please subscribe our channel for more such videos. So let's start. Okay, so at first I should say this, that you need to remember all the formulas of trigonometry and it will help you to solve the problems. Okay, so this is problem number 8 part 1. Okay, here you observe that this is the left hand side and this is the right hand side, and you need to prove this. Okay, in the left hand side there are sec a term and tan a term is present. Okay, but in the right hand side there is no sec a or tan a. Okay, so in this kind of scenario you always write sec or tan in terms of sine and cos. Okay, whatever is not present in the right hand side you write them in terms of sine or cos. Okay, so writing sec in terms of cos, which is 1 by cos a. Okay, and tan is sine by cos. Okay, and this term I am just keeping as it is. Okay, so this is the LCM. LCM is cos a and the numerator will be 1 plus sine a. Now see, 1 plus sine a and 1 minus sine a, it is a plus b and a minus b. A is 1 and b is sine a. So it is the formula of a square minus b square. So 1 minus sine square a. Okay, and 1 minus sine square is nothing but cos square a, because sine square a plus cos square a, that is equal to 1. Okay, and 1 cos will be gone. So this is cos a. This is the right hand side. Okay, so this is the answer. Now this is problem number 8 part 2. Okay, so you need to prove this. Okay, here you observe that 1 minus sine a and 1 plus sine a is present. So it is 1 a minus b and a plus b form, which is a square minus b square. Okay, just like the previous. So a is 1 and b is sine a. So it is 1 minus sine square a and 1 plus tan square a is there. Okay, now we know that sec square a minus tan square a, that is equal to 1. Okay, from there we can write 1 plus tan square a equal to sec square a. Okay, so instead of this I am just writing this. Okay, and similarly sine square a plus cos square a is 1. Okay, from there 1 minus cos sine square a is nothing but cos square a. Okay, and also we know that cos a is 1 by sec a. Okay, so instead of this cos square a I am writing 1 by sec square a. Okay, so this will be 1. This is the right hand side. Okay, now this is problem number 9 part 1. Okay, here you need to prove this. In the left hand side there are tan a and cot a term. Okay, but in the right hand side no tan a or cot a is present. Okay, so always what is not present you write them in terms of sine or cos. Okay, so writing tan as sine a by cos a and cot by cos a by sine a. Okay, now do the LCM. It is cos a into sine a. Okay, now this will be multiplied here, this will be multiplied here. Okay, so it is sine square a plus cos square a. Okay, now sine square a plus cos square a, the formula is 1. Okay, that's why this 1 is coming, and this is cos a by sine a. Now 1 by cos a is what? Sec a. Okay, 1 by sine a is what? Cosec a. So it is sec a into cosec a, that is the right hand side. It is very simple actually. This is part 2, problem number 9. So 1 minus cos a into 1 plus sec a. Okay, see, in the left hand side there is a sec a term, but in the right hand side no sec a is present. So I will write this sec a in terms of sine or cos. So we can write this sec as 1 by cos a. Okay, and this term I am keeping as it is. Okay, now do the LCM. This will be cos a. Okay, and cos a plus 1. Okay, in the numerator. So cos a plus 1 and 1 plus cos a, they are both same. So it is 1 minus cos a and 1 plus cos a, which is a minus b, a plus b formula. So which is a square minus b square. A is 1 and b is cos a. Okay, so it is 1 minus cos square a. Okay, so 1 minus cos square a is what? Sine square a, because sine square a plus cos square a, that is equal to 1. Okay, so this is sine square a means what? Sine a into sine a. So one sine I am keeping with this cos. So it will become tan. Okay. So this is tan A into, and one sin A is remaining. So it is tan A into sin A, which is the right hand side. This is proved. Okay. So this is problem number 10 part 1. Okay. Now you need to prove this. Okay. So here I am writing this cot square A as cos square A by sin square A, since cos A is equal to cos A by sin A. That's why I can write this like this. Okay. Now here you see, in this term cos square A is present, and in this term also cos square A is present. So I can take cos square A as common. So it is this into 1 by sin square A minus 1. Okay. Now in this term I will do the LCM. So LCM is sin square A. Okay. And in the numerator it will be 1 minus sin square A. Okay. Now 1 minus sin square is what? Cos square A, because sin square A plus cos square A, that is equal to 1. Okay. So it is cos square A. Okay. So this cos by sin, this is what? Cot. Okay. Since there is square, this will be cot square A. So this is simply cos square A into cot square A. Okay. See, this is the right hand side. This is proved. Okay. This is problem number 10 part 2. Okay. Here you see in the left hand side there is a tan A term present, tan square A actually. Okay. But no tan is present at the right hand side. Okay. So I am replacing this tan in terms of sec. Okay. So we can write that by sec square A minus tan square A, that is equal to 1. From there we can write that tan square A equal to sec square A minus 1. Okay. Since only sec A is present at the right hand side, I am converting everything in the left hand side in terms of sec. Okay. So sec square A minus 1. Okay. This is the formula. So this is A square minus B square. A is sec A and B is 1. So it is sec A minus 1, sec A plus 1. Okay. Now see, this and this term will get cancelled because they are same. Okay. And so we will only have 1 plus sec A minus 1. Okay. See here. Now this one and this one will get cancelled. So it is sec A only. That is the right hand side. Okay. Now this is part 3 of the problem number 10. So here you need to prove that this equal to this. Now see here, in the right hand side no sec A is present. So we need to write sec in terms of sine or cos. So we can write sec as 1 by cos A, and this one also 1 by cos A. Okay. So in the numerator we will do the LCM. So LCM is what? Cos A, and this cos will go up. So cos A plus 1 divided by cos A. That is this term, and this 1 by cos A, it will get flipped. So cos A by 1, isn't it? So cos A and cos A, they will get cancelled. So only we have cos A plus 1. Okay. Fine. Now we need, see here in the right hand side there is 1 minus cos A in the denominator, but we only have cos A plus 1. So we will multiply 1 minus cos A in the numerator as well as in the denominator. Okay, so 1 minus cos A, that is done. See here, this is matching, this is matching. Okay, now this part I need it as sin square A. So we will multiply A plus B and A minus B. Okay, A is 1, B is cos A. So this is 1 minus cos square A. Okay, that is the formula of A square minus B square, isn't it? So 1 minus cos square A is what? Sin square A, because sin square A plus cos square A, that is equal to 1. So it is sin square A. See, this is matching. This is the right hand side. Okay. So this is part 4 of the problem number 10. Okay. So see here, this is sin A by 1 minus cos A. That is the left hand side. So here we will do like this, that we will multiply 1 plus cos A in the numerator as well as in the denominator. Okay, so we are doing that. Okay, 1 plus cos A. Okay, now this is A minus B into A plus B. A is 1 and B is cos A. Okay, so it is A square minus B square formula. So it is 1 minus cos square A, and that is the numerator. Okay, so 1 minus cos square is what? Sin square A, because sin square A plus cos square A, that is equal to 1. So I am writing that. Okay, now this sine and 1 sine from sin square A will get cancelled. So it is 1 plus cos A divided by sin A. Okay. Now I am dividing this sin A in each of this term. So it is 1 by sin A plus cos A by sin A. See here. Okay. Now 1 by sin is what? Cosec A, and cos by sin, that is cot A. So that is the required right hand side. Okay. This is the right hand side. See here. Okay. Now this is problem number 11 part 1. Okay. Here you can see that this is like actually the previous one. Okay. So here you multiply in the left hand side in the numerator as well as in the denominator by 1 minus cos A. Okay. So if you multiply here, 1 minus cos A will be there. See here. And in the denominator it is 1 plus cos A into 1 minus cos A. So it is nothing but the formula of A square minus B square. So it is 1 minus cos square A, isn't it? So 1 minus cos square is again sine square like the previous. So one sine will get cancelled and this is the answer. Okay. Now this is part 2 of the problem number 11. Okay. Here you see no cot is present. Okay. In the right hand side. So I will write this cot in terms of tan, because only tan square A is present in the right hand side. Okay. So writing it 1 by tan square A, and the numerator is same. See here. Okay. So it is 1 by tan square A because cot square A was there. Okay. Now do the LCM. So it is 1 minus tan square A. Okay. Now this denominator, it will get flipped, isn't it? So tan square A by 1 minus tan square A, and this is the numerator. See here. Okay. Now they are same. Okay. So they will get cancelled. So only tan square A is present. So that is the required right hand side. So this is problem number 12 part 1. Okay. So here you see that in the left hand side only sec A term is present, but in the right hand side no sec A is there, only cos A is there. Okay. So we will write this sec in terms of cos. Okay. So it is 1 by cos A, this sec, and this sec also 1 by cos A. Okay. That's why this term is coming. Now in the numerator you do LCM, in the denominator you do LCM. Okay. So cos A is the LCM in the numerator, and as well as cos A is the LCM of the denominator. So it is 1 minus cos A and 1 plus cos A. Okay. See here. This is just calculation. Okay. Now this denominator, it will get flipped. So 1 minus cos A divided by cos A into cos A by 1 plus cos A. Okay. It is just flipping. Okay. So this cos A will get cancelled and you have the answer. Okay. Okay. So this is problem number 12 part 2. Okay. So left hand side is this and right hand side is this. Okay. Now if you do like this, the way I am solving the problem, it will be shorter and simpler. Okay. So I am writing this tan square theta as sec square theta minus 1, because sec square theta minus tan square theta, that is equal to 1. From that formula we can write that. Okay. And this denominator I am keeping as it is. Okay. Now this is a square minus b square. A is sec theta, b is 1. So it is a minus b, a plus b. Okay. That is the formula. So from there 1 sec theta minus 1 will get cancelled with the denominator. So it will be sec theta plus 1 divided by sec theta minus 1. Okay. Now from here we need cos. Okay. It is like the previous one. So you write sec in terms of cos. So it is 1 by cos, and this sec also it is 1 by cos. Okay. And do the LCM, and after the calculation you will get your answer. Okay. That is the required right hand side. Okay. This is problem number 12 part 3. Okay. So here you see that this is the left hand side and this is the right hand side. Okay. So you need sec in the right hand side, and for that I am doing like this. So this is a plus b whole square and this is a minus b whole square. So I am straight away applying the formula of a plus b whole square, and similarly here also a minus b whole square. Okay. So this will be 1 plus 2 tan a plus tan square a, and similarly plus 1 minus 2 tan a plus tan square a. So this will get cancelled, and this is 2 plus 2 tan square a. Okay. And we can take 2 as common. So this is 1 plus tan square a. Now we know the formula that sec square a minus tan square a, that is equal to 1. So this is 1 plus tan square a is sec square a. It is coming from that formula. Okay. And this is the required right hand side. Now this is part 4 of the problem number 12. Okay, so see here this is the left hand side. Okay, now I am writing sec and this cosec in terms of sine or cos. Okay, so this sec square a, this is 1 by cos square a, that is the formula, and cosec square a, that is 1 by sine square a, because cosec a is 1 by sine a, isn't it? So after that we will just do the LCM. So it is cos square a into sine square a, and this sine square go up and this cos square go up. So it is sine square a plus cos square a. This will be 1 because that is the formula of sine square a plus cos square a, isn't it? So 1 by cos is what? Sec. So it is cos square, that's why it is sec square a, and 1 by sine is cosec a. So this is sine square, since this is cosec square. Okay, so this is the required right hand side. Okay, so this is the problem number 13 part 1. Okay, so here what we are doing, this is the left hand side. Okay, so I am just doing the LCM. Okay, so after doing it, it will be cos a into 1 plus sine a. Okay, so 1 plus sine a will get multiplied here and cos a will get multiplied here. Okay, that's why this is 1 plus sine a whole square and this is cos square a. Okay, now just apply the formula of a plus b whole square. So it will be 1 plus 2 sine a plus sine square a and cos square a. Okay, now this part, this sine square a plus cos square a, that will be 1 because that is the formula. So this one and this one, they will be 2. So 2 plus 2 sine a. Okay, now if you take 2 common, it will be 1 plus sine a. That 1 plus sine a will get cancelled with this. Okay, so it will be 2 by cos a only. Now this is 1 by cos a is what? Sec a. So 2 sec a, that is the right hand side. Okay, now this is part 2 of the problem number 13. Okay, so here you see that this is the left hand side. Okay, so I am simply doing the LCM. So a minus b, a plus b. Okay, that is the formula of a square minus b square. So it is sec square a minus 1. Okay, and after the LCM, this quantity will get multiplied by this tan a, and this quantity will get multiplied by this tan a. Okay, so do the multiplication and the numerator will be this, isn't it? So from there, this tan a will get cancelled and this will be 2 tan a into sec a. Okay, so 1 tan a will get cancelled again. So it will be 2 sec a by tan a. Okay, now sec a is what? 1 by cos a, and tan a is sin a by cos a, but tan a is present in the denominator. So it will get flipped. So cos a by sin a. Okay, so this cos a will get cancelled and 2 by sin a, 1 by sin a is nothing but cosec a. Okay, so 2 into cosec a, that is the required right hand side.